Hello, Muscar Corner here. Thursday afternoon, Mecum got quite a lineup of cars. Um, the Shomad, I did a video on this car yesterday, and it's going up on the block, and they're going to have me up there filming it. So we'll be going up on the block and filming this beautiful Nomad Shomad. So Muscar Corner, taking a look at some of the other cars that are here. Another amazing sedan delivery. Looks like a 55 or a 6. Quite a stunning car. Great little grocery getter, you know. Wow, what an amazing build on this thing. Let's see what we got for the motor. Unbelievable. Well, we'll continue up on the block with the Shomad and get that video uploaded this afternoon. Thank you so much.